Okay, during MRP, all levels of BOM are planned. All levels. So you will plan all the quantities of the material that will be required to produce a finished good. The output of MRP is a detailed production and purchasing plan, okay, as we have discussed in previously. Data is first for first level component. All levels are checked in MRP, but in MPS, only first level. System doesn't look for lower levels. Net requirements, it considers present stock available. But over here, production and purchase plan are created in MRP. For example, sales order is 100, stock is 50 in hand. So net requirement is 50, not 100. Okay. Let's see how MRP is basically designed. There are independent requirements, which is an input for MRP, independent requirements. And we then run MRP and that creates a plan order, this plan order. And plan order gets converted into production order or PR for procure to pay cycle. In material master, in MRP2, we have internal procurement and external procurement indicators. Both procurement types, which can be in internal production or external procurement. If a purchase order is produced, the vendor will supply it. If production order is produced, then we should have a capacity plus stock availability. Then the production order is released on the shop floor and the required material is issued from warehouse to production order. Production order is confirmed, stocks get updated at the warehouse, at the shop floor. If production order is confirmed, it is connected with sales order. It's also update sales order and stocks are updated. And sales order takes delivery later on, that goes from the warehouse and onwards. So what are the uses? MRP is used to plan on time production and procurement of required quantities for internal consumption and customer demand. Internal consumption for internal stock taking and storage requirements, minimum stock levels. This process involves monitoring stock levels and automatically creating order proposals for purchasing and production. For materials produced in-house, the dependent requirements of the component are determined during bomb explosion. Dependent requirement. Okay. So it consists of following functions: net change planning, either short and long term, and regenerative planning. MRP and consumption-based planning. We have already discussed what is consumption-based, which could be for your in-house production and for customer demand. Lot sizing, lot for lot. Now, what is this? Where do we have lot sizing? MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. Can someone tell me? Okay. And 0, 3, also 8843, select views. Okay. Lot sizing. Lot sizing. MRP 1, lot sizing. Lot for lot order quantity, and MRP 2 tells whether it is in-house production or And procurement type tells you whether we can allow outside procurement or not. Okay. MRP3, it gives you the planning. You plan for make to stock or repetitive or others. Availability check is 0, 1. MRP4, it gives you collective requirement 2. This was the error last time we were getting. It was not updating. And the other error that was we were getting in the last lecture was SPRO. Logistics, material master, basic settings, material types, define attributes, position, 8842. Oh no, PERT, PERT is finished product, quantity value updating, 8842. Valuation area is your plant. So last time we didn't have any quantity updating or value updating over here. Save. Okay. PERT, finished product for this plant is now available. Okay. Internal external purchase orders. Okay. Quantity is updated by valuation area and value is also updated by valuation area. Display material, other things is okay. MRP is there, okay, fine. ROH, reference material type, authorization group, initial status. Okay. Save. It was saved. Okay. So single item or collective planning, we have already seen where it is single or collective item. Processing and rescheduling proposal, we'll see how this is done. Easy to use option for evaluating planning result. Single and multi-level pegging, we'll discuss this. Planning at multi-plant level, we'll also see this head. So you want to activate MRP, what is the T code? OMDU. Double 842. The prerequisites for MRP, we have to activate and set up planning file. Now planning for, we have to set up planning file. And for materials, we have to maintain MRP data, valid MRP type and valid material status. To check relevancy, MD21. MD21. Plant AA42. MPS item, this is for high level and high value. Yeah. Time phase planning, date, rescheduling date. Okay. Okay. Net change planning, net planning file, net change per hour, reset procurement proposals. And this is the details we have for the material. It's only showing for Alto. Execute. So we have multiple materials now. Okay. Bomb explosion, we have not yet connected it with in the material master. There is a bomb explosion part as well. Okay. If planning file exists, only then system consider running for MRP materials. MRP is run once a month, not daily, based on requirements of material. It's not run often. Prerequisites, these are the prerequisites. Okay. And how MRP has to be run? These steps have to be followed. Net requirements, it has to be calculated. Lot size, what is the lot size? Minimum lot size is 500 or 1000, whatever. Procurement specific, based on your lots, your procurement specification will be designed as well for in-house production and external procurement or stock transfer. Then it will be scheduled based on lot sizes, procurement, delivery times, vendor supplies. Okay. Based on that, it will be scheduled for production or external procurement. And then the bomb will explode because this is all connected. Then bomb will explode for the net requirements. Okay. For the dependent in-house production requirements. So what are the control parameters? Control parameters can be carried out. Planning run can be carried out at two levels, single term or individual material or total planning. So in planning file, we actually plan how the planning will be done, whether it will be for material or for total. During regenerative planning, all MRP items are planned for a plant. The net change planning procedure plans only those MRP items that have changed relevant to planning since the last MRP run. Net change planning procedure. Now, this is a procedure that only does MRP for those items that have changed, the stocks that have increased or decreased. If net change planning in the planning horizon, MRP is carried out only within a defined planning horizon. So we'll have a restrictive ecosystem for planning the material that have changed during that period, from last MRP period to next one. Lot sizing, we'll discuss this more in detail, but right now we'll just go for categories. There are three procedures in lot sizing: static, periodic, and optimum. In static, we have lot for lot. You fix that this is a minimum lot size, 500, 1000, and so on. It's fixed lot size, and it replenishes up to maximum stock. You cannot have more than maximum 5000 or 8000, whatever you actually determine in the MRP tabs of a material master. Periodic daily lot sizes, it changes as per a period. It could be weekly, could be monthly, and flexible periods as per your customer order. It can be a seasonal order or 3 month order, whatever. Optimum procedure, part period procedure, and it actually works on saving your supply chain and logistic costs with least unit cost procedure. Then the reorder procedure is also very lean. Dynamic, it's a dynamic creation for lot sizing. For this basically is for specialized, fast moving industries like semiconductor industry. Okay. Because semiconductors are only valid for a one model of your laptop or LED TV. After that model is gone, that stock is also irrelevant. So you will keep minimum stock of that model only for warranty and guarantee periods. Okay. Okay. So lot for lot, if the stock is 22, order is 100, net requirement is 78. Lot for lot will procure pertaining to 78, not 100. In fixed lot size, we don't want to have, if we don't want to handle small quantity, then fixed lot is used. Vendor supply in fixed quantity, then material is configured to be fixed block size. And this is basically again MRP. Okay. Static lot size. Of course, with time, the stock levels go down. So you have to replenish it lot for lot. Okay. The requirements are such that the receipts are planned as well. Okay. You will actually replenish as per requirement, not net, but the shortage. In fixed lot, of course, you have to maintain the fixed lot. In replenishment, we have to maintain the maximum stock level. Okay, that is for fixed. So this is used in chemical industries where a certain unit limit of items have to be maintained. Okay. In period lot sizing, of course, it is periodic. You have to maintain a certain level. Okay. It can actually fall and you can replenish with the other stocks that have been procured. It can be based on weekly, daily, monthly cycles. Optimum, as I said, it is basically to keep your ordering cost low, your stock minimum stock levels are maintained, like in a semiconductor chip industry. Okay. Long-term lot size. So short-term period is lot for lot and long-term period is monthly lot size. Different lot sizing procedures can be defined. Planning run is carried out in regular intervals using a time-phased planning. So you can have a periodic run for planning. Okay. And this is what we have already discussed. That is the end of our lecture today.